Welcome back to Planta Garden TV. How are you guys doing today? Alright guys, this video is for the people who don't have a greenhouse, who don't have a grow tent indoors, and who have a small room indoors that they can take care of their plants indoors. I'm going to show you a video about these few plants, and I'm going to show you their update so far. Now I want to show you the type of setup I have. Up inside here I have a bulb. I have a bulb that's set up in here, and this bulb is what produces light for all these plants. This is the cassava plants up inside here. It's already put the ceiling. This is the mango. This is a bell pepper. This is lemon. This is papaya. This is moringa. If you notice, it sheds all its leaf, but it starts to come back with fresh leaf right there. This one as well. These are avocado. This is a lemongrass. I didn't wet it, but I know I put some water around it, so I guess I'm gonna see a little life in it. Okay, well, at least I see a green right here, so that's life. The thing about it is, guys, you have to wet these plants, but you cannot over wet them, because this room have no heat. Down to the bottom there, it have an area that air can go out and air could come in. So when the weather is really cold, it push that cold air up inside here. But at the end of the day, they're still doing well. These plants is in here for over a month now. Heading for 2 months. This is a yam, and they're doing wonderful. I have a lemon here getting ready. Oh, this lemon is basically ripe, ready to pick. So yes, guys, you don't have to go out there and spend a bunch of money trying to keep these plants going. You don't have to have a grow tent. You don't have to have a greenhouse. If you don't have the money, but you have a little space to keep them with a little light, even though you don't have no window, and they're able to get some air to circulate inside, they will make it. This is like 2 months now. These plants is in here, and the good thing what I did, I bring them in before the frost. If you notice, before the cold weather start, they push in fresh leaf. They push in fresh leaf. If they're not doing well, then you're not gonna see fresh leaf. You're gonna see they drying out. So right at this moment, you can do it. You just have to try. All these is avocado, and if you see, you definitely see the avocado pushing fresh leaf. So the environments that create in this room is really good for these plants. They're doing wonderful in this environment. So create an environment that will not go down to 30 degrees. At least if you have it to 38, 40, 37, you will be fine. And these are tropical plants. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.